Live from the top of the Empire State Building. Pest Equity Business Podcast is back.
We back.
Expansion always, in all ways. Eye-opening episodes, sales, marketing strategies, entrepreneurial development, the everyday entrepreneur experience. So get ready to network to build your net worth. You're now listening to the Pest Equity Business Podcast.
Welcome back to another great episode of Pest Equity Business Podcast. I'm your host. On episode number 62, I'm going to answer the question why your sales calls still don't close clients. So if you're struggling to close on sales calls, it's usually due to the next 7 habits that I'm going to share with you. Number 1, you get awkward when faced with objections. Number 2, you do all the talking rather than allow your clients to. Number 3, your questions don't go deep enough. Number 4, you feel uncomfortable talking about the price. Number 5, your sales approach is outdated. Number 6, you haven't shown the results they can achieve with your product or service. And number 7, you have no structure in place for your calls. Well, I hope this quick video answers your question and thank you for it. If you want to stay up to date on how to structure or build your business, please consider subscribing to the channel, sharing it, liking it, commenting it. Appreciate all of that. Tune in to our next episode where I'm going to share sales scripts that close 1,000% of inbound pest control calls. See you all on the next episode.
Thank you for tuning in to another great episode of Pest Equity Business Podcast. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Pest Equity Podcast. Join the Facebook group and go subscribe to our growing YouTube community. Have a question or topic for the show? Want to be a guest on the show? Shoot us an email at pestequitypodcast@gmail.com.